and welcome to the quiz on natural resources. So guys, I hope that you have gone to www.menti.com and use this code that you see right here, right, 7159947. Hi Ayushi, hi Janvi, hi Akshit, hi Amrita, right? It's okay if you're a new student also. I want you to go ahead and join this particular code and let's start the quiz. Hi Sanvi, hi. Right, so I hope all of you have taken it down. Please do send me thumbs up so that we can get started with today's quiz. And it's going to be fun, it's going to be interesting, and I am feeling so excited about this. Hi Vishal, hi Akshay, hi Pratyush, hi Sona, hi all of you. Right, so have you all taken the code down here? Right? Okay, so let's have a look. Waiting for players to come. Ooh, I can see so many of y'all are here. Right? Come on guys, come on. Yes, Deepak, thank you for joining in. Right? We'll get started. Okay then, let's start the countdown. Answer fast to get more points. So okay, Janvi, the code is up here. An effect of acid rain among the following is global warming, ozone depletion, damage to monuments, or melting of glaciers. It's okay, Mayank. It's okay, Janvi. You can take in the code. You can still join in. Not a problem. Right? The code is up on top as you can see. You can join in. You have 15 seconds. Right? What do you think is the effect of acid rain? I can see a lot of you also sending in answers here. Oh, you guys are super quick. 3, 2, 1 and time's up. Very good. 53 of you have answered correctly, which is damage to monuments. While some of you have got confused with global warming and melting of glaciers. So see here, the question is specifically on the effect of acid rain. Right? And we're talking about how acid rain is formed as a result of the acidic, all the oxides of nitrogen and sulphur that reach the upper layers, right? And how they end up reacting with water and then coming down as water vapor. So this right here is the correct answer. So right now I can see that a lot of you have got the answer. I see, very good, right? So here, just give me 2 minutes. I can see that there is this screen right here is having some issues, so just give me 2 minutes guys, not a problem, right? 2 minutes and we will get this sorted. Come on guys, I want you all to keep the chat active and let me know. Okay, some of you are telling me that I am a volcano. Vishal. I like all these fun comments that are going on in the chat right now. So just give me 2 seconds, we will get this sorted. Hey guys, so sorry about that. There was a slight technical glitch, but it is sorted. So like we discussed, the effects of acid rain is of course damage to monuments and loss of vegetation. Now let's get moving to the next question that we have, which is the second question here. So let's have a look. Answer fast, okay? So the question that we have here is, which is the most abundant gas in the atmosphere? And the options are hydrogen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide and argon. Very quickly, go ahead and send in your answers. Hi Ria, good evening. Hi Sanya. Come on guys, let's focus. Let's come back and let's get to the answer here. Which do you think is the most abundant gas? Now we know that in the atmosphere, we have a mixture of gases, right? So what do you think is the correct answer? Yes, you have 5, 3, 2, 1 and... yes, time's up and very good. 67 of you have got this right, which is nitrogen. And some of you have got slightly confused here, not a problem. Very quickly, we know that air is a mixture of gases. that includes 78% nitrogen, we have 21% oxygen, and less than 1% of other gases, right? So let's get going to the next question, right? Very good. I can see a lot of you are saying got it correct. Very good, very good. Now, next question that we have here is, which of the following is not a cause of air pollution? Mind you, they are asking about which is not a cause. Industrial emission, burning of fossil fuels, chlorofluorocarbons, or smog. Come on guys, 20 seconds left. Hi Seema, hi. Right, I can see a lot of questions coming in. Yes, I can see someone has asked me why is nitrogen not the abundant gas. Okay, we will discuss that in just a bit, but I want you to quickly go and answer the question for this. Yes, I can see a lot of answers coming in here. And time's up. The correct answer here is smog, and how I can see that 38 of you have got this right, while some of you have gotten confused with the other options. So I will discuss this, okay? We're talking about which is not a cause of air pollution, or we're trying to figure out what are all the causes and then eliminating which is not a cause. Now, broadly, if you see industrial emission, a vehicle exhaust and chlorofluorocarbons are considered to be causes of air pollution, while smog is an effect of air pollution. Yes, very good Akshay, it is an effect of air pollution, right? So now I hope that you've got the difference between what is an effect and what is a cause of air pollution. Now let's go on to the next question that we have here with us, which is the fourth question. So let's quickly have a look at what is there. And here, as you can see, ozone contains 3 atoms of oxygen. Is this particular statement true or false? Now this right here is a very simple question. Hema, I would request you to go ahead and focus on the quiz because we're having a lot of fun, right? Very good Akshay, very good Shreya, very good. You guys are getting the answers. I'm very happy, right? So let's very quickly, we have 10 seconds left on the clock. Right, and we need to figure out if the given statement is true or false. Now this right here should be an easy one. 3, 2, 1, and time's up. And as I can see, 80 of you have got this correct. I am extremely proud of all of you. Yes, ozone that is there does contain 3 atoms of oxygen. So a simple way in which I remember is ozone O3. Very easy and very simple. Very proud of all of you guys. Yes, it's very simple, very easy. I know it. Now let's have a look at the next question that we have here, which is the 5th question of today's Menti Quiz, wherein we will look at the next question and here, which of the following is present in acid rain? Our options are hydrochloric acid, tartaric acid, citric acid, or nitric acid. Well then, come on guys, go ahead and send it in the chat, right? Or go ahead and type it out. What is the answer? Very simple. We're talking about what is present in acid rain. Oops, sorry about that. Okay then, I can see that a lot of you are sending in the answers here as well. Very good, very good. 3, 2, 1, and time's up. And here, as you can see, 45 of you have got right, which is nitric acid. While some of you have gotten confused with hydrochloric acid as well. So let's very quickly recall the concept of how acid rain is formed. Now we know that acid rain here is an effect of air pollution, right? And we know that it is because in the industrial emissions, by the burning of fossil fuels, oxides of sulphur and nitrogen are released into the atmosphere. And when they are released, they will combine with water like you can see here, and they will form sulfuric acid and nitric acid. Yes, very good Anshita, very good Prapti, very good Sanvi, you guys have got it right. So the correct option is option A. And hydrochloric acid will not be factored into this, okay? So I hope so far you have got it right. And okay, Pratyush, you're asking me if I'm not feeling well. No, I'm feeling perfectly fine. As a matter of fact, I'm feeling so happy that I'm getting to spend some time with all of you and discussing and playing in this quiz. I'm extremely having a lot of fun. So now, as you can see here, we have looked at so many questions and here's the leaderboard. So let's very quickly see what is the stance right now. So here, as you can see, at the top most, we have Andy with 4,835 points, followed by Ashma, Ashish, Prithviraj, Bhavika, Satvika, Sanjeevni, Rachit. We have Shakti, Navya. Very good, guys. Very good. Very proud of all of you. And I'm actually proud of everyone. Maybe your name might not be in this leaderboard, but you are all winners to me, and you know that. Very good, Kanishk. You've got it right. Very proud of you. Okay then. So now we've had a look at the leaderboard midway. We still have more time. We have more questions coming in. Let's have a look at the next question here. So the next question that we have here is, let's wait for it to come. And as you can see, CFCs are not responsible for ozone depletion. So is the statement true or false? Come on guys, 25 seconds left on the clock, right? And I want you to figure out if this particular statement here is true or false. It's okay, Anupama, it's completely okay as long as you are learning and enjoying. That is all that matters. Everything else is secondary. As long as you're enjoying, it's important. Guys, 6 seconds left on the clock. Come on, is this statement true or false? Very simple and easy. And time's up. And here, as you can see, 62 of you have got it right. Yes, this statement is false. Now, we know that CFCs are nothing but chlorofluorocarbons that are there, right? And when these chlorofluorocarbons are emitted to the atmospheric layer, they will destroy the ozone, causing ozone depletion, right? That is why they are responsible for ozone depletion. Priya, it's okay. It happens sometimes, you know, like when we misclick, it's completely fine. So with this, I hope the answer is clear to some of you who have gotten confused, right? Let's go on to the next question that we have with us on the screen. Let's see what we have with us. So in this next question that we have here, a thick fog-like layer in the air which is made up of smoke and fog is called what? Smog, ozone, chlorofluorocarbons, or acid rain? Come on guys, this is a very simple and easy question. Thick fog-like layer in the air which is made up of smoke as well as fog. Right, I can see some of you also sending in answers to me here, but I hope that you've answered there as well in the quiz. We have 5 more seconds left. And 3, 2, 1. And the answer here is of course nothing but option 1, that is smog. And 71 of you have got it right. Yes, Anya, I know it's a very simple and easy question. So very quickly, we know that when exhaust, vehicular exhaust or industrial emissions are released out into the atmosphere, we know that smoke and fog will combine to form smog. And it is a thick fog-like layer, right? And we know that smog mainly occurs due to increase in the amount of these suspended particles like hydrocarbons. So this right here is a very simple and easy question, right? And so far, whatever we have been discussing has been easy peasy. Yes, Kanishk, it's been so easy. Right, let's move on to the next question that we have here with us. So this is question number 8 that we have. So let's see what question that we have with us here. Which of these is not a way of preventing air pollution? Right, we are talking about preventive measures. Planting more trees, using public transport, using eco-friendly vehicles and burning fossil fuels. So we need to identify which is not a way of preventing air pollution. I am stressing on this word not a way because you need to focus on some of the keywords that are there. So we have 5 more seconds left on the clock. 3, 2, 1 and time's up. The answer is very simple. It is option D, right? Which is burning of fossil fuels. Very, very good, guys. 70 of you have got this right. Yes. Congratulations, Andy. I saw that you had said that you were on the top of the leaderboard. Very good. Right? And I can see a lot of you have sent in the answers in the chat as well. Yes. Because when we talk about prevention of air pollution, planting more trees, which is also known as afforestation, right? Using public transport, using eco-friendly vehicles, using alternative sources of energy. They are also considered to be prevention of air pollution. But when we say burning of fossil fuel, is that a prevention or is it a cause of air pollution? Very quickly, guys, Hi Pramod, hi. Is it going to be a cause of air pollution? Cause? Yes or no? Very quickly, I want you to tell me. Yes. No. Cause of. Yes, very good. It is going to be a cause of air pollution. Okay? So not to get confused with that. Now, as you can see here, we have the 9th question that is there. Yes. Yes, Riya. Yes, Urbi. Yes, that is a cause of air pollution. Moving on to the next one that we have here. So here, as you can see, when fossil fuels are burnt, oxides of nitrogen and sulfur are produced. True or false? Is this particular statement true or false? What do we get as a result of burning fossil fuels? What kind of oxides? Come on, guys. Very quickly, you have 15 seconds left on the clock. Is this statement true or false? So far from whatever we have discussed, no, I think this is very simple, right? Very, very simple question. 5 more seconds left. 5 more. 2, 1, and time's up. Right? So let's see how the results have come up. And I'm expecting some good numbers. Yes! 77 have got this right. I am so proud of all of you, right, that you've got this right. And I hope that now this has become very simple, right? Understanding what are the causes of air pollution. Yes, we know that by burning of fossil fuels, oxides of nitrogen and sulfur are released into the atmosphere, right? And they will combine with the water to give what all acids? Very quickly tell me what all acids are going to be there, or what would be produced when sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide are going to react. Yes, very good, Akshay. SO2 and NO2, right? Yes. So they will react and they will form what acid? Yes, sulfuric acid and nitric acid. Very good, Bishal. Very good, Andy. Yes, Shreya. Easy peasy. I know. It's a very simple and easy question. But with this, we are also revising all the things that we learnt, right, in our class. So we have looked at how acid rain is produced and how on the burning of sulfur, on the burning of fossil fuels, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide are produced. Very good, Shreya. Very good, Sanvi, right? Moving on, we have the next question up here. It's the last question of today's quiz. So let's have a quick look at what the question is. Ozone depletion results in. Very simple, very easy question. Does it result in skin cancer, rise in temperature, rise in sea level, or acid rain? Very quickly, guys, I want you to go ahead and answer. What do you think would cause or would result after ozone depletion? So you need to quickly recall what is going to happen when ozone depletion takes place, or what is the role of ozone in the atmosphere. Come on, we have 7 more seconds left. 7 more seconds. And 3, 2, 1. Time's up. And yes, very good, guys. I can see that 48 of you have got this right, which says skin cancer. Now, some of you have gotten confused with rise in temperature. So let's very quickly discuss this. Now, we know that ozone layer that is there protects us from the harmful UV rays of the sunlight, right? And we know that if the UV light falls into the atmosphere, it can cause blindness, eye cancer, skin cancer, and decreased crop yield, right? And when we talk about rise in temperature, that is a consequence of global warming when there's more amount of carbon dioxide that gets released into the atmosphere, right? And it causes the greenhouse effect where the heat is trapped. And as a result, it causes rise in temperature. So guys, don't get confused with these two concepts. Okay, it's a very fine difference, but it is important. Yes, Shreya, carbon dioxide causes rise in temperature. Pikun, it has no reason to be sad, okay? There is no reason whatsoever. It's important to learn with fun. Yes, very good, Murgeshan, very good. It is important to have fun while learning. So let's have a look at the leaderboard. And here, as you can see, the leaderboard is all the assessment is being made. And finally, on top, I can see that Satvika, you have made it up to the leaderboard with 9,633 points. Congratulations, Satvika. I can also see that Ashima, Ashish, Rachit, Bishal, Shakti, Navya, Prithviraj, Sanjeevni, Shreya, you guys have all made it. Hey Sanya, hey Papya, Prachi, it's all okay. It's not a problem, guys, because see, the quiz is there, of course, to have fun, yes, but it's also important to learn, right? And it's okay, Akshay, like this is a small game that we play, but the importance is to have fun. And guys, please tell me, did you have fun in the quiz? Did you have fun in today's class, right? Did you all have fun today? I want to know that. If you've had fun, then we don't need to worry about anything else. Okay? Yes. Congratulations to everyone. That is very important because to me, you are all winners. Okay? This is just a game that is there, but for me, all of y'all are winners. All of you are brilliant. And I am so happy to be a part of today's class. Right? And of course, in the next session, we will be looking at natural resources, wherein we will also discuss water and soil, right? And it will be on Thursday, next Thursday at 5 p.m. And one thing is that so far, if you have any confusions in whatever we have learned or discussed, you can always go back to the concept capsule session that we had just earlier from 5 to 5:30, right? You can go back and revise. Yes, Kanishk, happy Pongal to you too, right? I am so happy that you had fun in today's class because you see, we've always got you covered. No matter what, right? Whatever you need, we are there for you. And if you want to learn more and have so much more fun, you can take up some free trial classes as well. In the description box below, you will find it. So guys, I hope you had fun in today's class because I surely did. Yes, I remember this question wherein you asked me why nitrogen is an abundant gas. Now you see in the atmosphere, I'll make it very simple, okay? In the atmosphere, we see that there is a perfect balance of gases. And we have about 78% of nitrogen because it's an inert gas, right? So that's important. It is one of the most abundant gases when compared to, say, oxygen or carbon dioxide, right? That is why we say that it is the most abundant. And that balance is needed to keep up the way we live and for organisms to thrive and survive. Okay guys, so I hope you had fun. Any more questions that are there, you can quickly send it in. Otherwise, we can wrap up today's class. Bye. Bye Chetan. Bye Pramod. Bye Prachi. I am fine, Stuti. How are you? Yes guys, if you're having fun, go subscribe. Press the bell button. You will keep getting notifications. Yes, thank you Ansh, thank you. Okay guys, then see you very soon in next week's session. Don't forget to be there. Bye Bishal, bye Sanya, bye Riya. Yes Riddhi, I'm fine. I hope you are doing good and keeping safe. Bye, bye. Yes, okay, alright. Bye guys, see you.